your one-stop shop for all things computer. Is your computer running slow and sluggish? Are you dealing with constant restarts? Has your browser been hijacked by a strange program? Do you need a hardware or software upgrade? We've got you covered. Perhaps you need a complete computer system. We have gently used systems for as little as $275 complete with monitor, mouse and keyboard, and we have custom-built gaming systems made to your specifications. Perhaps you are in need of a new website designed for your business. We have web packages designed for every size and need. Whether it be a one-page personal design or a corporate online store shop, and compare our prices with the competition and see if you are not pleasantly surprised. Don't allow yourself to fret and worry over the issues you may be having. Let us do all of that and bring your system back to the way it was when it was brand new. And don't wait until this happens.